Guys, before we go, we check the car sa iyahang ear. So, i-check na to. Okay na. Next pod guys, the other side. Come here, let's check. Here. Then, dire pod pahugutan ang cover. Okay, rakay siya. But na siya yung mga something. And then, close the door. The other one. Check here. And close again here.